So the next session this afternoon that is concerned about Yam Goong, hot and sour soup, hot and sour prawn soup. That is the page 7. So that in the bowl that is in front of you, that is right now that is we use plain water. It is to get to know the basics of making. Prepare about tom yam. But in case if you like to change or use the broth, stock. That is a vegetable stock or chicken stock. That is you can use it by the same portion. And then that is tom yam goong. That's very fast. If you prepare like on your dish, that is you can see mushroom. That is from mushroom. It's quite hard. So that if you use another mushroom that is softer than this, that is you will not spend longer. That will be shorter. But this one is a hard mushroom. You can use any mushroom. And the mushroom that is my idea that is you have to buy use on that day. If you leave for one night, next day that will be dark and black color. And if you don't like a mushroom, you can skip it. The next that is you have not to miss, that is will be the lemongrass. You can see the stem of the lemongrass. You can see the kaffir lime leaf that we use for curry in the morning. And we have the lime. And the kaffir, the galangal, it's like a ginger, the one that we talk in the morning. That we just slice, it's not ginger. All that is you can see at the fresh market, the Asian market that you go. And coriander, that is we use the last on the top of the soup after you finish coriander or cilantro that you can use it. So that the cost that is the process, we start with to boil the water and we mix with the lemongrass, kaffir lime leaf and galangal, 3 of them. So that we boil them for a while until the water is boiling, and then we will add more of the chili. And after the chili change the color to be pink, that's ready. And then it is how to prepare, how to mix ingredients like a fish sauce, chili, the word chili, the small one, the tiny one, that very spicy, and the lime. That is we will separate. We will add them, mix them that is in the bowl, not in the pot. Alright? So that when you cook, you have enough time to squeeze the lime in the bowl, mix with chili and fish sauce. But Nan, that is my helper, she will demonstrate to you first, and then you would know that the stage. So that in this case, that is tom yam, we will have 2 stages, like a 2 process, one in the pot, one in the bowl. When the bowl finish, transfer to the bowl. Or when the pot finish, transfer to the bowl. That's all. Is that clear? Yes. And then that is we start Nan. You will start to do right now. Now you can do both way. Bruise first or slice to be a thin piece like this. Quite medium high heat, not really medium. Tom yam we have to cook very fast. If we cook longer, the taste will be changed. We do not need to spend a long time. So the lemongrass, the first kaffir lime leaf, galangal, and mushroom. Mushroom will help the water, plain water, sweet. So we boil until it's boiling and the straw mushroom start to soft. And then we will add the shrimp. So at this time, that is, we will mix in the bowl. We will mix with the lime, the chili, fish sauce, 3 of them together. If you need more spicy, you have to bruise it more. Do not add more chili. Do not rush to add more chili. Bruise it more. until the mushroom soft. Use the spoon that is to touch it. You would know that is by your hand. If you do very often, you would know by your experience too. But let's say about 3 minutes, about that, at least. Yes, 3 minutes. At this time, you will smell from the herbs that we boil, from the lemongrass, kaffir leaf, and the galangal. So from the shrimps or prawn, you can change to be any of to be crab or to be fish, any meat that you want. Until that is the shrimp start to change color to be pink. How to add the fish sauce and the lime, that is you do not need to add in one time. For Thai cooking you can add more later. Or chili, that is you can add more later, just pick up some only.
Election time, you say.
That's it, finished. And transfer to the bowl. And you combine them. That's by the plain water, or you can use the stock, the broth. I mean vegetable stock or chicken stock, up to you. And then you combine turn over. Let's combine the fish sauce, chili, and the lime taste. And after that, we lay down by coriander on the top. That's tom yam. Very fast. So at this time you don't worry about it will be burnt or not. No, it will not burn.